focus. The fixed point S is called focus. The fixed line L is equal to 0 is called a directrix. The fixed line L is equal to 0 is called directrix. And the constant ratio is called eccentricity. ECCENTRICITY, eccentricity, and it is generally represented by E. If E is equal to 1, the conic is called a parabola. If E is equal to 1, the conic is called parabola. That means E is equal to 1 means SP is equal to PM. That means the locus of the point equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. Equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line is called parabola. The fixed point is focus, and the fixed line is directrix. అది ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లం వైజ్ గా చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ది the standard form of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. The standard form of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. చూద్దాం, ఇది ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం. Let the axis of the parabola is proof చేద్దాం. Let the axis of the parabola is x-axis and the vertex of the parabola is at origin. Vertex of the parabola is at origin. And let S be the focus. At a distance A units from the vertex. Therefore, S is A, 0. We know that vertex is midpoint of Z and S. What is that, Nana? Is focus. ఇది డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ అయితే the line perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus, it is called axis. See, the point of intersection of the axis and directrix is represented by Z. And see, the midpoint of Z and S is called vertex. The parabola will be like this. Parabola ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఇది midpoint of Z and S. Okay, మనం ఇక్కడ ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం, axis of the parabola is along x-axis and focus is at a distance A units from the vertex on the right hand side of the vertex. Therefore, focus ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న, A, 0. But vertex is the midpoint of Z and S, then this length is also equal to A. So what are the coordinates of Z? Minus A, 0. ఇది డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ అన్న, ఇది యాక్సిస్, దే ఆర్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్. Directrix is perpendicular to the axis and passing through Z. Right now, directrix is perpendicular to the axis and passing through Z. Nana axis x-axis అనుకున్నాం. So directrix ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Perpendicular to x-axis means parallel to y-axis. Any line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to k, but it is passing through minus a comma 0. Minus a is equal to k. Therefore, directrix is x is equal to minus a or x plus a is equal to 0. Currently, since we know that directrix is passing through Z and perpendicular to the axis, directrix is passing through Z and perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, its equation is x is equal to minus a or x plus a is equal to 0. నన్ను ఫోకస్ వచ్చింది, డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు పెరాబోలా ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం? ద లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ద పాయింట్ px1 y1 moves such that sp is equal to pm is a parabola. Right? We know that any point on the parabola is equidistant from focus and directrix. Let px1 y1 be any point on the parabola. Let px1 y1 be any point on the parabola. Therefore, sp is equal to pm. So sp square is equal to pm square. What is sp square? x1 minus a whole square plus y1 square. pm, a point in which line perpendicular distance, mod of x1 plus a by 1 whole square. That is, y1 square is equal to x1 plus a whole square minus x1 minus a whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. 4ab, 4a x1. Therefore, locus of x1 y1. Locus of x1 y1 is y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Fast గా కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ రాయండి. ఫిగర్స్ కూడా వేసేసుకోండి. ఇది y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Vertex, fast vertex 0, 0. Focus yes, a, 0. Z minus a, 0. Axis, x-axis. Vertex, focus lies on. Focus lies on right hand side of vertex. Focus ekkada undi nanna? Right hand side of vertex. Directrix x plus a is equal to 0. X plus a is equal to 0. Ends of the lattice rectum. A comma 2a, a comma minus 2a, L a comma 2a, L dash a comma minus 2a. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. వచ్చేసినట్లేనా ఈ పారాబోలా గురించి? సెకండ్ వన్, y square is equal to minus 4ax. Y square is equal to minus 4ax. Rastara, first vertex 0, 0. Axis, x-axis. In brackets y is equal to 0. Focus lies on left hand side of the vertex. Focus yes, minus a comma 0. Z, a comma 0. Directrix, x minus a is equal to 0. Ends of the lattice rectum. Ends of the lattice rectum. L minus a comma 2a. L dash minus a comma minus 2a. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. Next. X square is equal to 4ay. What is it called? Upward parabola. గుర్తొచ్చిందా ఎవరికన్నా? What is vertex origin? Axis, y-axis, focus lies above the vertex, and focus 0 comma a, z 0 comma minus a, 0 comma minus a. Directrix first z 0 comma minus a. Directrix y plus a is equal to 0. Ends of the lattice rectum. Ends of the lattice rectum. L 2a comma a. L dash minus 2a comma a. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. X square is equal to minus 4ay. What is it called? Downward parabola. Is the S, is the Z. Vertex 0 comma 0. Axis, y-axis, focus lies below the vertex. Focus 0 comma minus a. Z 0 comma a. Directrix y minus a is equal to 0. Ends of the lattice rectum. Ends of lattice rectum 2a comma a minus 2a comma minus a. Note number 1. Alpha comma beta is the vertex of the parabola. Alpha comma beta is the vertex of the parabola. Alpha comma beta is the vertex of the parabola, whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Whose axis is alpha comma beta is the vertex of the parabola, whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Then the equation to the parabola is y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha if the focus lies on the right hand side of the vertex. Y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha if the focus lies on right hand side of the vertex. Second one, y minus beta whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus alpha if the focus lies on the left hand side of the vertex. Focus lies on the left hand side of the vertex. Next. Alpha comma beta is the vertex of the parabola. Next note. Alpha comma beta is the vertex of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Then the equation to the parabola is x minus alpha whole square is equal to 4a into y minus beta. If the focus lies above the vertex, x minus alpha whole square is equal to 4a into y minus beta. If the focus lies above the vertex, and x minus alpha whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus beta. If the focus lies below the vertex, if the focus lies below the vertex, first problem, the vertex of a parabola is 3 comma minus 2 and the focus is 3 comma 1 and the focus is 3 comma 1. Find the equation to the parabola. Find the equation to the parabola. నన్ను ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో ఎలా రాయాలో అలా డిక్టేట్ చేస్తాను, మీరు ఇలా అలా రాసుకోండి. చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు, స్టెప్స్ వైజ్ గా ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్ డౌన్. We know that the line passing through vertex and focus is the line passing through the vertex and focus is called axis. Since the x coordinates of vertex and focus are equal, since the x coordinates of vertex and focus are equal, the axis of the parabola is parallel to y-axis. X coordinates ఏమున్నాయి కదన్నా, therefore the axis is parallel to y-axis. And see, vertex is 3 comma minus 2 and focus is S. Focus S is 3 comma 1. It is obvious that minus 2 to 1 above ఉంటుంది కదా, 1 lies above minus 2. Therefore, మనం ఏం రాయాలి, and focus lies above the vertex. Focus lies above the vertex. The parabola is ఉంటుంది. Therefore, it is an upward parabola. Distance between vertex and focus is A. So, A is equal to 3. 1, ikkada minus 2. Distance between the 2 points is how much? 3. Therefore, equation, nana vertex tells you, A tells you, it is an upward parabola. X minus 3 whole square, 4 into 3 into y plus 2. That is, x minus 3 whole square is equal to 12 into y plus 2. పక్కా చేయగలుగుతారా? పక్కా నిజంగా అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి, the line passing through the vertex and focus is called axis. Since x coordinates are equal, the axis is parallel to y-axis. నాన్న అది ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ చేయించినప్పుడు చేయిస్తానన్నా. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ IPE క్లాస్ is exclusive IPE. Second example, the vertex of a parabola is 1 comma minus 2 and the focus is 1 comma minus 7. Vertex of a parabola is 1 comma minus 2, focus is 1 comma minus 7. Then find the equation to the parabola. We know that the line passing through vertex and focus is called axis of the parabola. Axis of the parabola. Since the x-coordinates of vertex and focus are equal, the axis of the parabola is parallel to y-axis. Vertex is 1 comma minus 2. Focus minus 7 అనేది minus 2 కి కింద ఉంటుంది కదా నాన్న, minus 7 ఇలా ఉంటుంది parabola. Okay, the distance between vertex and focus A is equal to 5. It is a downward parabola. Therefore, equation is x minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 5 into y plus 2. X minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 20 into y plus 2. Minus 20 into y plus 2. A is equal to 5 kada? Minus 2 minus 7. Distance and the 5 kada?